Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a shout out to Ben Collins and John Carroll for this handy little tip for creating a graph-like element. So the code here, let's just grab the code, which is right here. And here is the code. Oh, right there. Control C. And we'll pop that over here so you can see it. There it is, sparkline, chart type, and A1, I believe, is where it's referring to. So if I put something in here, for example, 67%, I should get a line. No, it didn't work there. A1. Should have worked, but it didn't. So let's go ahead and just drag these down. There we go. So now just modify this one and say 54%, and we'll squeeze that one down to 20%, and you can see that it automatically readjusts. So this is the code. I'll go ahead and put the link to the tweet and to the code here in the description. It's nice. Let's see actually what happens when we have more than 100%, say 160%. What happens? Well, it goes red. All right, so F2 that, and we'll try 300% or 330%. See what happens. Okay, so it goes orange, and let's try 99%. See what that looks like. Oops, 99%. There it is. So again, big thanks to John Carroll and Ben Collins for this little tip on Twitter. Thanks and happy computing.